Hello, Harshal. 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 Harshal, Priya. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are your roll numbers starting from? S3 batch. What are your roll numbers starting from? S3 batch.
Ma'am, we are not aware. Just a minute. I'll check.
Roll number 8051.
Yes, ma'am. I think 5-1.
All are there or someone has left the college?
No, all are there.
All are there. Up to what?
7-4.
Everyone is there. No one has cancelled the admission.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
One roll number, I think 62 or 60, the group wasn't getting him. Like, he was not present. So some issue, they were facing some issue. Then I don't
Which
know what
one is
happened.
not there? Which one is not there?
Ma'am, I don't know the exact roll number. He was in 60 or 62. I don't know that.
Okay, I'll check.
Okay.
Up to 74 you are there, na? 51 to 74. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now is the first group present? 5-1, starting from 5-1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 5-1. What is your PRN number? PRN number?
Ma'am, he is yet to join.
Okay, okay. Let join. How many are there? Only 6 are there out of 24. We'll wait for another 5 minutes. Huh? Let
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
join. Let everyone join. Who is present? Tell me your PRN number. Who is present?
Ma'am, roll number 54.
54. Okay. What is your PRN number?
22. 1 minute.
22
010
010
883.
883. Shall I read it out?
Yes, ma'am.
220108883. What is your
Yes,
name?
ma'am.
What is your
Gunjan
name?
Patil.
Huh? Gunjan Patil. Gunjan, na?
Yes, ma'am.
See the spelling what I am writing is correct or not. Gunjan Patil. Okay, who else is present?
53, ma'am.
Okay, what is your PRN number? Last 3 digit. Okay, tell me the PRN number. Last 3 digit.
867.
Is it correct? 867?
Yes.
Okay. What is your name?
Chaitanya Dasevar.
1 minute. Chaitanya. What is surname you said?
Dasevar. DASE.
DASEWAR.
WAR. Yes.
R, na? Okay.
Yes.
Who else is present? Who else is present?
72.
Huh?
1064.
74.
64.
Okay, what is your PRN number? Last 3 digit?
64, ma'am.
Last 3 digit.
Ma'am, he's roll
शेवटचे तीन
number
आकडे.
70. He's
Roll
roll number
number
64.
Roll number 74 you said, na?
No, ma'am.
He
64.
said 64.
64.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your PRN
Yes.
number? Last three digit?
043.
043. Correct? Huh?
Yes.
Your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Name?
Umesh Bhandwal- Umesh Bhandwalkar.
Umesh Bhandwalkar. BHAND. D के
W.
बाद A है क्या? A is there?
नहीं है.
W.
No, no.
WALKAR. Is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Your roll number is 64, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And PRN number is 043. Okay. Who
Yes,
else
ma'am.
is present? Chalo fatafat.
Ma'am, 72.
72.
66.
Huh?
72.
Oh, okay. What is the last three digit number for your PRN?
171.
71.
171.
Okay. 1 minute. 171. Huh. What is your name?
Priya Chowgule.
Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Priya. Surname?
Chowgule.
I'm not able to listen to you. Please speak loudly.
Chowgule, ma'am.
Chaugule.
Yes, ma'am.
How you spell it? C. Huh?
CHOUGALE.
OU. Huh? GULE. Chaugal.
Chowgule.
Yes.
LE.
CHOUGALE. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who else is
73.
present?
73 or
Sir.
66.
73. Okay. What is your last three digit of PRN number?
190.
190. Okay. What is your name?
Harshal Deshpande.
1 minute. Harshal Deshpande. 66 now. What are the last three digit?
075.
075. Okay. What is your name?
Prasad Awale.
Prasad Avale.
Hmm.
How you spell?
AWWW.
WHALE.
Yes.
Okay. Prasad Avale. Who else is present?
52.
65.
Huh?
55.
55. Okay. What is the PRN number last three digit?
899.
899. Okay. What is your name? 55. Name.
Nannavare Sadananda.
Huh?
Sadananda.
1 minute.
Sadananda.
Sadananda. Spelling, how you do the spellings? Naure. N.
A. NA. WARE.
NAWARE. Huh?
नहीं मैम. NA WARE.
Nanaure. Huh?
हाँ.
Okay.
NA WARE.
NAWARE. Yes. Who else? Who
52.
else? 52. Okay. What is? Huh?
851 roll PRN number, last 3 digits.
851. Last three digit. Name?
Yes. Harsh Anvekar.
Harsh. 1 minute. Harsh Anvekar. Huh?
ANVE
VEKAR.
KAR. Yes. Ma'am,
Correct.
there Harsh, there 2 H are written in Harsh.
Yeah. Earlier it is small one. I'll delete that. Correct? Harsh.
Yes.
Just.
Yes.
Who else is
Ma'am,
present?
51.
51. Okay.
835. Last 3 digits of PRN number. 835.
835. Okay.
Siddhant Shinde. SIDD.
Siddhant. Double D HANT.
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 Yes.
Siddhant.
NT. Shinde. Shinde.
Okay, Shinde.
SHINDE.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Shinde.
65, ma'am.
Huh?
65.
65. What are the last three digit?
059.
059. Huh.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Akash Rathod.
Akash Rathod.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Ma'am,
give
मेरी
us, huh?
61. 61.
61. What are the last three digit number?
995.
995. Huh. What is
Yes.
surname?
TIPARE.
T. एक minute. T I T A R E.
PARE.
T I D A R E.
PARE.
P A. Tipre.
हाँ P हो
Tipre. हाँ.
RE.
हाँ sir.
Ayush.
Name.
AYUSH. AYUSH. Ayush.
AYUSH. हाँ. Ayush. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Who else is
मैम
present?
मेरी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है
56.
हाँ.
सदानंद झाले
कोण
स्पेलिंग
नाही
मिस्टेक हो
आहे?
गई है
62 आणि
Spelling
63 लेफ्ट आहे का?
63.
लेफ्ट आहे?
हाँ
हॅलो 63 प्रेझेंट आहे का?
हाँ मैम प्रेजेंट
हा काय रोल नंबर? PRN नंबर लास्ट थ्री डिजिट
027.
027. हा. नेम युअर नेम?
सर्वेश देशपांडे.
सर्वेश.
हाँ
सी द स्पेलिंग सर्वेश देशपांडे. हा. सर्वेश देशपांडे. Who else?
174.
74. What is the last three digit of your PRN number?
206, ma'am.
206. Your name, please.
Atharva Oturkar.
VA करतो का नाही तू?
हाँ
VA करतो का नाही अथर्व स्पेलिंग मध्ये?
हो
करतो ना? VA करतो ना शेवटी? ATHAR
हो,
VA.
हो.
Okay.
हो,
Who
हो.
else is present?
मैम अमेय भैया
हाँ.
8071.
8071. What are the last three digits of PRN number?
155.
155. Okay. Then what is your name?
AMEY अमेय.
AMEY. Ameya.
PANCH
What?
पंच भैया.
PANCH.
BH
BH.
AYYE.
AYYE. पंच भैये. Okay. Who else is present?
56, ma'am. Pramod.
67.
67. What are the last three digit? फटाफट चलो.
091.
091. What is your name?
Ayush Tripathi. AYUSH.
AYUSH Tripathi.
TRIPATHI.
Tripathi. Who else is present?
मैम 68
68. What are the last three digit of your PRN?
107
107. Okay. What is your name?
रजनीकांत मुरी.
Rajnikant. Okay.
हाँ
Rajnikant.
RAJNIKANT. NIKANT.
That A is not there in between.
Yes ma'am. हाँ
Rajnikant.
मुरी MULI मुरी.
Mohit.
मुरी MULI.
MULI. Okay. Muri. Okay. Who else is there present?
170.
8069.
8070.
Okay. 69 first give me. Last three
123.
digit. 1,
1
2.
2 3
हाँ, what is your name?
Yash Aire, YASH
YASH
AYARE.
AYARE. हाँ,
हाँ
okay. 70. Roll number
Ma'am, 139.
135. Okay, your name, please.
139. Ma'am, 139.
Okay, एक minute. 139. 139. Okay. Your name?
Gayatri Gogre.
Gayatri. TRI or TREE?
TRI.
Okay. Surname?
Gogre. GHOGARE.
GHOGHARE. Gogre. हाँ. Okay. Who else is present? 56.
56.
हाँ. Okay. Last three digits.
915.
915. Okay. What is your name?
Pramod. PRAMOD.
PRAMOD. Pramod. हाँ.
Davre. DAWARE.
DAWARE. Pramod Davre. हाँ. Okay. Who else is?
मैडम मेरे नाम में
हाँ.
57
हाँ.
mistake हो गया है,
57. Last
spelling में।
three digit. Last three digit of.
931
हाँ.
931
931. Okay. What is the name?
double E SH
FH.
SSH
एक मिनट. ESH
SHAN.
ईशान. Okay.
Yes, BHA
THA.
BHA
DHA or THA?
B for Bombay.
हाँ. BHA
NAP
KNAC.
No, NAP BHA NAP.
BHA.
K is not there, ma'am.
हाँ.
K is not there.
Yes.
N
BHAM. हाँ.
N
अरे earlier it was N only. हाँ. BHAN
AP
K.
AP
Please pronounce it properly. BHAN
AP A and then P.
K के बाद AP है क्या? भंकप.
K नहीं है मैम.
मैम भानप.
बानप. हाँ. Okay. बानप. हाँ. Who else? 58 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. What are the last three digit of your PRN number?
947.
947. हाँ. What is your name? चलो फटाफट.
Rutik RUTIK.
R
RUTIK.
हाँ. ऋतिक. हाँ.
Jadhav JADHAV.
JATHAV. Jadhav. हाँ. 59 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the last three digits?
963.
963. Okay. Then
Akshay Kothare. AKSHJ.
SHAY.
हाँ. KO TH ULE.
Kothule.
Yes.
Okay. 60. Roll number 60. Roll number 60.
मैम मेरी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है. सदानंदा झाले.
रोल नंबर क्या है?
या इधर ए नहीं है सर. सदानंद दा.
अरे रोल नंबर बताओ ना, मैं चेक करती हूँ.
8055.
हाँ. उधर क्या हुआ है?
ए नहीं लास्ट में.
सदानंद में ए नहीं है.
हाँ.
हाँ ठीक है अभी.
हाँ यस मैम.
ओके. हाँ. Then 60 present. Roll number 60. Roll number 60, please. 62.
Yes, ma'am.
62.
Yes, ma'am. I am present.
60 or 62.
62.
What are the 3 digits? Last 3 digits.
011.
011. What is your name?
Pujari Aditya.
Pujari. एक मिनट. Pujari Aditya. Double A you make it or only single A?
ADI.
ADI.
TYA.
Aditya. 60 is not there. Rest everyone is present. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, एक minute. Fif- 51 Siddhant Shinde na? Okay, first group
Yes, ma'am.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55. First group
Yes, ma'am.
51 to 55.
Yes, ma'am.
To whom I should give the right to for the presentation initially? Siddhant,
53.
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya, I'll make you host. I'll make
Yes.
you
Yes,
host.
ma'am.
And later on you have to make me again host. What is
Yes.
your name? Chaitanya Dasevar.
Dasevar. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Make a host. Yes. Now I have given you the right. You do the presentation.
Yes.
Chalo.
Ma'am, you can see the screen?
I can see. Just give me a break. 1 minute. I'll come. 1 minute. Just.
Yes. Everyone can see the screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
bhai.
yes.
Okay.
चालू आहे आता. हो आता चालू आहे.
इकडे टाकून ठेव झुरळ केले की परत वाया जाईल. Okay, chalo. Start the presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon.
My name is Gunjan Patil, roll number 8054, and I am leader of Group 1. Other group members are Siddhant, Harsh, Chaitanya, and Sadanand. Next slide. Our topic for today's presentation is case study of Ghaziabad city on air pollution. Ghaziabad is a city in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, referred as the gateway of UP, because it is close to New Delhi on the main route of UP. Why we chose Ghaziabad as a case study? Ghaziabad is one of the largest industrial cities next to Kanpur. It is center for trade and commerce. It has major industries like Bharat Electronics Limited. City is growing at a very high pace and the population has increased to 23,58,525 approximately. Recent construction works have led to the city been described by City Mayor Foundation Survey as the second fastest growing in the world. Next slide. How bad are the levels of pollution in the Ghaziabad? As one would gather from being gateway city, high levels of traffic, high volumes of cars, trucks, motorbikes, buses, putting out large volumes of smoke and haze as well as PM10 and PM2.5 fine particulate matter of 10 micrometer less in diameter. To observe the number recorded over 2019, they show that Ghaziabad is indeed an extremely polluted city, taking the highest spot out of all cities in the world in terms of their levels of pollution. This is indicative that pollution in Ghaziabad is somewhat catastrophic, with many months of the year PM 2.5 readings. Here, table shows air pollution level in Ghaziabad. Pollutant include NO2, NH3, SO2. The Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, has now identified traffic congestion and dust to be the main contributors for rising levels of air pollution in Ghaziabad. Now, my friend Siddhant will tell you the causes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Siddhant. My roll number is 8051. First of all, thank you, Gunjan, for telling us about the case study of Ghaziabad and why we chose it, right? So, why is the air quality so poor in Ghaziabad? Here are a few causes. One of the biggest factors would be its urban topography with huge amounts of dust accumulation, which leads to the formation of fine particulate matter in the air. Now, speaking about construction sites, there are large amounts of finely ground dirt, concrete, microplastics, and metals such as lead and mercury, which make their way into the atmosphere via these slides. On to the next slide. When it comes to diesel fuel, it often puts out higher pollution levels when compared to cleaner alternatives. The large dust accumulated combined with fumes and smoke released from vehicles and factories create extremely high particulate matter with a size of 2.5 millimeter. Another cause is vehicular emissions, which include large amounts of NO2, SO2, carbon monoxide, black carbon, volatile organic compounds, and furans. On to the next slide. Talking about stubble burning. Burning stubble is considered to be an important reason behind air pollution in Ghaziabad. 29% of air pollution is due to burning of stubble. Next up is fly ash. It is a byproduct generated as the coal is burnt at thermal power plants. It also contains toxic and heavy metals. It is one of the major contributors to particulate matter emission. As a result, it also ends up adding in the causes of air pollution in Ghaziabad. But hold on, this won't stop here. The proposed Khurja coal power plant project, which is gonna be huge project by the way, which even if it is not situated in Ghaziabad, I thought I should let you know about this, as this will be a new threat, not only to the state of Uttar Pradesh, but also to our country and eventually to the earth. With that being said, over to you, Sadanand. Thank you.
My name is Sadananda and roll number is 8055. Health effect of the air pollutions. When the air pollution can harm us, when it is accumulated in the air is high enough and concentration millions in America live in areas where in urban smoke and the particle of pollution and toxic pollutants is posed in a various health of the people's exposure in a high enough level, and certain air pollutants may be experienced and cupping and chest tightness, and it is breathing difficult. Next slide. Varnishing and exist the lungs and the heart's problems such as asthma in the increase in a risk of the heart's attacks, and the addition is a long term in exposure to the air can be used in a cancer and damage to the immune neurologicals and the reproductions and the respiratory systems, and the existing cases it can even causes death. Next, environment defects and harsh.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Anvekar and my roll number is 8052. I am going to tell you about environmental effects of the air pollution. First is the acid rain. It is caused by precipitation of nitric and sulfuric acids formed by their oxides, which are released when fossil fuels are burned. Acid rain acidifies soil and water bodies, which pose a threat to marine life and also to the trees. It also speeds the decay of buildings, which affects the monuments and structures which are a part of our national heritage. Next slide, please. Eutrophication. Eutrophication is a phenomena in which a large number of algae grow on the surface of the water, which reduces the oxygen level in the water and also blocks the sunlight from entering the water. Thus, it poses a threat to the marine life. As humans are affected, similarly, animals are also affected by the air pollution. It can cause various and serious troubles to animals and their habitats. Haze is a phenomenon in which visual disturbances are produced due to pollutant particles of air pollution. Sometimes sunlight imparts color to this haze, which also disturbs our vision. Next slide, please. Ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is the most serious effect of the air pollution. Due to ozone depletion, UV rays which are harmful may reach to the Earth's surface and can cause serious skin diseases, even skin cancer. Crop and forest damage are also done due to pollutants in the air pollution. Global climate change. All of the air pollution leads to increase in greenhouse effect, which raises the global temperature, affecting all the animals and its habitat. This is also known as global warming. Thank you. On to Chaitanya Dasevar.
Hello, I am Chaitanya Dasevar, roll number 53. Remedies, measures to control air pollution. After getting a brief idea about the causes and effects of the air pollution on ecosystem, now let's see the remedies to this problem. This requires the combined efforts of government, industry, and each and every individual. Like on individual level, using public transport and using energy efficient devices is an effective solution. On industrial level, the industries can reduce the emission of harmful gases by using filter stacks to remove the harmful substances before emitting it into the atmosphere. The industries can make technological innovations like producing electric vehicles for public use. On government level, increasing public awareness by making policies and regulating the
Lecture चालू
amount
है.
of pollute in air is an effective solution. Promoting afforestation is an effective and basic solution to this problem. The last but not the least is the public awareness, and their involvement is the heart and soul to the solution of this problem. Now, let's summarize the whole case. We can say that the air pollution has caused a lot harm to our ecosystem, especially in last few decades. The solution to this problem is by combined efforts of each and every citizen, by planting trees, reducing the consumption of fossil fuel, and shifting towards the use of renewable sources of energy is an most effective solution to this problem. So let's stop being mean and keep the air clean. Thank you.
Yes, nice presentation. Give me the rights again. Make me the host.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Is
From
there
where I have to
anyone?
do that?
Make me host. Okay. Is there anyone having any question to this group? Anyone in the group? Other than this group, is there anyone having any question Chalo fatapat.
Yes, ma'am, done.
No, but do they have any question, anyone? I want to ask them.
I made you host.
Huh? Yeah, but let it be. Only for presentation, I have deducted 1 mark here. Only because presentation, I told you to write point wise. The effects given were very good. Your batch was up to 55, na? Or 54?
55.
55. Okay. So I have given you the marks here. Total, I'll put up the formula, apply the formula for this column, and then it will come here. So 19 marks are there. Good, done. Only one query is there. Someone you asked, eutrophication you made a mention of, which is due to the decrease in oxygen level. But what is the reason? It is not the correct reason, eutrophication, because of which you find that the marine life is in danger. Some other reason is there, which is the supposed to be strong reason. Yes, anyone from your group, can you answer? Anyone from your group, can you answer? Anyone from your group, can you answer? What is the other main reason for eutrophication? What is the reason for eutrophication? Anyone from your group? Are you able to listen to me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, because pollutant enter the water bodies and thus increase the nitrogen level in the water, which supports growth of algae.
Not completely. Eutrophication means the marine life, aquatic life, due to the presence of very high quality of the plastic. If it is inhaled by the aquatic life, then that water plastic they have taken by mistake as a food is get converted into phosphate, and this phosphate is not digestible to them, because of which the marine life is in danger. So that is called as eutrophication. Okay, but nice trying. Now the next group, 56 to 60, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
60 left college or absent today?
Maybe left the college.
So you 4 are there, 56, 7, 8, 9. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. To whom should I give the right for the presentation?
Ma'am, to me, 57, Ishan.
57. Okay, Ishan. एक minute. 57. एक minute. Ishan. 56, 57. Where is 57? Ishan. Make host. Yes. I have given you the right. Start presenting.
Yes,
Ishan?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Chalo fast.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah. Okay, chalo. Good. It's visible. 56, 57, 58, 59. Yeah. Chalo, start presenting.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Ishan Manav, the group leader of Group 2. We are 4 in the group, and we are presenting a case study in air pollution.
Okay. Chalo fast.
So let us take an overview of air pollution in Mumbai. Mumbai, one of the most populated places in the world, is also one of the most polluted places in the world, be it air pollution, land pollution, or water pollution. Since ages, it has been a dream place for many, and is still a dream place for many, be it for work, education, etc. As the
Yes.
amount of immigrants and the population went on increasing here, it has become the most crowded metropolitan city in India. This has added to new challenges to the people residing there. One amongst many is pollution. This is a very serious major issue, not only in Mumbai, but everywhere. For it directly or indirectly affects us and all the living beings on the planet. Here we will be focusing on air pollution prevailing in the metropolitan city of Mumbai. There are many causes for the air pollution. We will take up major causes here. Industrial emissions. They surprisingly contribute majorly in the city. Industries include small, medium, and heavy industries, including power generation plants. Burning of garbage by the BMC in the open is also a major issue. Emission from transport vehicles, including road, rail, aviation, and shipping. And construction and deforestation. Construction and deforestation go hand in hand. For to construct, we need to deforest. Smoking, a not so surprising cause, and it has direct effect on the smoker's lungs. Now I will hand over to Pramod. Pramod, are you there?
Yes. Good afternoon. My name is Pramod 806556. I'm going to explain the effects of air pollution in Mumbai. The major effects are the nightly burning garbage at the 100 acres municipal garbage dump north of the Chembur Washi Road in Mumbai. It affects the people living in Chembur, Ghatkopar, Mankur, and New Bombay. Here the image, we can see the garbage burning in Mumbai. Second, a recent study by Environmental Pollution Research Center found that 10% of the population of Chembur, Mumbai, suffer from bronchitis, respiratory distress caused by the pollution. Next. Next.
Yes.
Next. Okay, the next point is in the month of December, temperature dropped in the Mumbai, but pollutants remain trapped in the atmosphere. The overall air quality index was reported to be 341, as bad as the worst most populated city in Delhi. Here we can see the image which states that the air quality index in Mumbai was as same as Delhi in the evening. Also, the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board's annual report says that nitrogen oxide and particulate matter were worryingly high in Mumbai, which are a major risk factor for health, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, the risk for acute respiratory infections, and exacerbates asthma. Next. Here are some images in Mumbai, which shows the air pollution in Mumbai. Now I will hand over the next topic to Akshay. Akshay, please.
Yes. Graph.
Yeah, you may use Marathi also. If you find
Yes,
difficult in English, you can use Marathi also.
येस मॅम PM10 हा सगळ्यात जास्त म्हणजे 2013-14 मध्ये 150 वारलीमध्ये आहे, वडोलाला 161 आहे आणि अंधेरीला 95 आहे. तसंच PM10 2014 व 15 मध्ये वारलीमध्ये 148 आहे, वडोला मध्ये 194 आहे आणि अंधेरीमध्ये 190 आहे. तसेच PM 2.5 2013 व 14 मध्ये वारलीला 68 आहे, वडोलाला 50 आहे आणि अंधेरीला 46 आहे. ते PM 2.5 2014 व 15 मध्ये वारलीला 52 आहे, वडोदला 56 आहे आणि अंधेरीला 80 आहे. तसेच मुंबई सारखेच एक आय लेवल औरंगाबाद, चंद्रपूर, कल्याण, मुंबई, नाशिक, नवी मुंबई, पुणे, सोलापूर, ठाणे, नागपूर यांच्यात पण जास्त एअर पोल्युशन आहे. पण मुंबईचं जास्त AQI लेवल 2019 मध्ये 112 आहे आणि 2019 मध्ये 112 आहे, तर 2018 मध्ये 183 आहे. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. The monitoring capacity, Delhi has the highest number of real-time and the manual air quality monitoring station, while Mumbai has one of the lowest, and the Mumbai, Bangalore are the doing better on NO2 as well. NO2 level in Mumbai and Bangalore are the decline but rising in Delhi, Kolkata. PM10 Mumbai better off. Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore PM level have either stabilized or one are going up, but there seems to slight decline trend in Mumbai. Delhi PM10 Delhiचा 250 आहे, तर मुंबईचं 100 2007 मध्ये. तसेच number of vehicle is explained at an alarming rate. Vehicle number are stiffly rising in cities, but the rate of increase is highest below. The WHO report PM 2.5 काउंट केलेला आहे. दिल्लीचा 2015 मध्ये 123 आहे, तर 2016 मध्ये 143 आहे. कोलकाताचा 52 आहे, तर 2016 मध्ये 74 आहे. मुंबईचा 64 आहे, 2016 मध्ये 64 आहे. बेंगलोरचा 40 आहे, तर 2016 मध्ये 27 आहे. चेन्नई 54 2015 मध्ये व 2016 मध्ये 52 आहे. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. PM10 वाढल्यामुळे, PM 2 वाढल्यामुळे जास्त असे म्हणजे एअर पोल्युशन मध्ये जास्त धुळीचे बारीक पार्टिकल माणसाचे म्हणजे हे जास्त जातात व त्याने जास्त तकलीफ होते आणि रोग तयार होतात. Delhi bore highest economic cost due to air pollution in last 6 months out of 28 metropolitan cities around the world. It lost 5.8% of its GDP in the first half of year. Second कोण आहे त्यांनी करा.
Now I'm going to describe the remedial measures to control air pollution in Mumbai. Primarily, the first one is reducing emissions in industrial areas. Primarily, people need to be made aware of the effects of breathing in polluted air, because only then they can start to take steps to elevate the situation. The key factor in improving the air quality is reducing emissions. The second one is the steps taken by the government to reduce the air pollution in Mumbai. The central government has launched the program, National Clean Air Program, known as NCAP, under the sector Control of Air Pollution Scheme, which aims to cut the pollution in 102 of the most polluted cities by between 20% to 30% by 2024. Under the NCAP program, plans are to cut industrial and vehicle emissions, reduce pollution from dust and other powder type materials, and impose strict restrictions on the use of biofuels and biomass burning. These are the also plans to increase the number of monitoring stations to provide the more accurate data. Next. The next remedial measure we can take to reduce the household using solid fuels. 50% Indian government took some steps to reduce the household burning fuel emission by using solid fuel for cooking. And the last December, removing subsidies for polluting cooking gas to improve access to clean fuel for household cooking. The next point is dust mitigation measures. You're using dust mitigation measures mandatory for all construction and demolition activities in projects requiring environment clearance, including paving and blacktopping of roads leading to construction site, which reduces the major air pollution. The next point is using greener fuels. Individuals are being encouraged to make personal changes by choosing to carpool or use public transport instead of using their own private vehicle. Switching over to greener fuels will be environmentally beneficial too. And the next, very most important is smoking. If individuals stop smoking, it is very beneficial to her, controlling its individual hands. He must be aware of its consequences on himself and on others. Various programmers have been used for many years to make people aware of its consequences and eventually to quit it. Next. Here we are showing some common man, what can common man do to reduce the air pollution in day-to-day life. Taking bus with choosing or a private vehicle, or the renewable energy sources instead of thermal power station, etc. Next. Okay, we take some references and then my friend Rutik will explain the next slide. Rutik, are you there?
Yes, I am. Good evening,
Next.
everyone. My name is Rutik Jadhav, roll number 8058. So I will explain the point wrap up. Mumbai has been declared as the 15th most populated mega city in the world in terms of PM10 level. In 2019, Mumbai ranked number 169 among the world's most populated city, including in IQ areas. Years 2019 World Air Quality Report, with an annual average PM 2.5 figure of 45.3 microgram per meter cube. A coastal city such as Mumbai should not have such high level of pollution due to its location. It is in this state because of the illegal burning of waste product, a poor planning system for its transportation and industrial unit in residential areas. The future objective is to provide a sustainable city model with affordable public transport and low cost energy from renewable sources. The key factor is achieving this goal is to reduce the amount of petroleum products currently being used. So thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, give me the rights for the host. Anyone has any query about a question on this presentation? Anyone? Anyone from the other groups? Do you have any query, doubt? Only one small suggestion, friends. Please take it positively. Every time in the slide, matter should be less and explanation should be more. When I'm saying presentation means only bulleted list should be there and you have to explain it orally. It should not be, the presentation should not be the readout process. So a small suggestion to all, please follow that. And the time limit is 7 minutes. Now today being first turn, I have allowed almost, we have taken more than half an hour, more than 40 minutes for two presentation, first two group presentation. Both the presentations were equally good, but next time you follow that restrictions are there on the presentation, not more than 7%. Now next week's our assignment is I will arrange your batch again once again this week on Friday. I will ask you before that your free time, and then I will arrange the batch for you for remaining groups. But take care every time that we have to accommodate our presentation in given 1 hour itself. It should not exceed. Now I will give the marks to this group also. Try to limit in the 7 minutes or maximum 8 minutes, so that 40 minutes, 45 minutes maximum may be sufficient for all the 5 groups. Next time topic is wastewater management. So similarly, like air pollution, same point. You have to take the case study. You have to find out what are the causes, what are the adverse effect of the polluted water, what are the remedies on that, and wrap up of the story. So everything on the same line, you make the preparation for the water pollution, wastewater management. So this time the topic was air pollution. Next time presentation will be on Tuesday, the same period it will be there. And for that you have to write similar type of presentation for the wastewater management. Why the what are the causes, what are the effects of the wastewater, how to manage the wastewater, how to purify it, what are etc. Everything on the same line, like air pollution you have to do it. For today's presentation this week itself, on Friday I am going to arrange it. I will ask you before that, or otherwise if you have a timetable, someone quickly tell me when are you free, so that I'll fix up that time for you. Anyone quickly, can you tell me what time are you free on Friday? Are you free at 3:30? Are you free at 3:30? Yes. Am I audible to you? Are you free at 3:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll give the marks to this group. Till that, the next group prepare for the presentation. I will give 7 to 8 minutes. Your group was 59, na? Up to 59. Yes. Present group was up to 59, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next time take care that everyone take care that the matter to be presented should be more, and the topic should be bulleted list, like a first point, second point, third point, and that point you have to explain, and not more than 7 to 8 minutes per group. This time let it be. So next group begins with 61 to 65, is it? Next group,
Yes, ma'am.
61 to 65, is it? To whom
Yes,
should
ma'am.
to whom should I give the rights for presentation in the beginning?
Sarvesh.
Sarvesh
Sarvesh.
is 63. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sarvesh D, na? Sarvesh
Yes,
D.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And later on you give me, try to finish it in 7 to 8 minutes, not more than that. Immediately I have another session at 4 o'clock. Chalo, fast.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yeah. Here some WhatsApp messages are seen. Instead of that, WhatsApp messages, Palak, Aryan, like that. Is 61, 61 to 65.
Yeah.
Yeah, please edit that.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sarvesh Deshpande, roll number 8063. We are the third group. And today's topic is air pollution. Rest of my attorneys are Umesh Bhandwalkar, Ayush Tipre, Aditya Pujari and Akash Rathod.
Your presentation is not seen. Your slides are not seen.
It's not visible.
No.
Yeah. Now?
No. The same message I am getting on the left hand side of my screen. Same I am getting. Yeah. Open that. Yes. Little bit expand that. I can see is 3 batch 61 to 65. Till he is doing one precaution, the two groups which have finished their presentation, only one student or the group leader will send your PPT immediately after the our working hour is over. Today itself, my mail ID already I had posted you. Once again, I will post it. And before leaving, you have to give the attendance. I will share the attendance sheet to you. Please give me reminder that I have to share the attendance sheet. In the morning batch, I forgot to share it. The attendance is important. Okay, now, yeah, I can see. Chalo, yeah.
So our topic is air pollution in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. So what is air pollution? Air pollution is a mix of hazardous substances from both human-made and natural sources. It is one of few type of pollutions which exist. So there are mainly three causes for that. Human sources, contaminants, and third is natural sources. For natural sources, there are mainly two types: primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are the substances which directly react with air to pollute it, and secondary pollutants are not directly leaked from the source, but they are formed when two or more gases react in air. Example of secondary pollutants is sulfur trioxide, nitric acid, etc. And for primary pollutants, it's carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, and all. So Ayush Tipre continue from here.
Hi, my name is Ayush Tipre. Here the effects of air pollution. There are natural the effect from natural source. There are nature affects the solution by dust from natural source, methane emitted from decomposition of animals and cattle, smoke and carbon from wildfires. Next slide. Another source of air pollution is human source. Waste deposition in landfills, which generates methane, military actions like testing of nuclear bombs, poisonous gases, industrial waste, chemical waste, etc. And many more. Next slide. Effects of air pollution. Effects of air pollution includes heart diseases, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases such as emphysema. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerves, brains, kidney, etc. Now I will request Umesh to further continue. Next slide, bro.
I'm visible, ma'am.
Yeah, visible. Do the presentation.
ओके ओके मॅम. मी मराठीतून सांगत आहे की पोल्युशन कमी करण्यासाठी आपल्याला जे अंमलात आणण्याची जी गरज आहे ते म्हणजे आपण सोशल बसेस वापरले पाहिजेत, नंतर बायसिकल वापरली पाहिजे आणि एअर पोल्युशन कमी करण्यासाठी आपण वृक्षारोपण असं वगैरे लावलं पाहिजे. आणि जसं दाखवलंय, जसं रिव्हर मध्ये जे आपण वेस्टेज जो कचरा वगैरे टाकतो याच्यामुळे सुद्धा पोल्युशन होतंय. त्यामध्ये एअर पोल्युशन मध्ये आपण जर बसेस वगैरे वापरले तर आपण जे स्वतः आता सध्या म्हणजे एका घरामध्ये 4 किंवा 5 लोक राहतात. प्रत्येक लोकांना एक एक गाडी लागते आजकाल. तर माझा आणि आमच्या ग्रुपचं हेच म्हणणं होतं की आपण सर्वांनी कॉलेजमध्ये येताना सुद्धा बायसिकलच वापराव्यात आणि गाड्या वापरू नयेत. जसं गाड्यांमुळे प्रदूषण होतंय ते प्रदूषण आपण वाचवू शकतो. आणि दुसरी केसेस म्हणजे जिथे विजयवाडा येथे जे मोठं प्लांट आहे, तो प्लांट सर्वांनाच त्या क्षेत्रामध्ये एक वेळेस घातक झाला होता आणि तो नंतर तो प्लांट काही कारणास्तव काही दिवस बंद पडला, नंतर आणखी चालू राहिला. त्याच्यामुळे अनेक लोकांना आज सुद्धा तिथे प्रदूषित वातावरणामध्ये राहण्यासाठी किंवा श्वास घेण्यासाठी त्रासदायक आहे. परंतु अशा गोष्टी आपल्या क्षेत्रामध्ये नाहीत, परंतु विजयवाड्यामध्ये बहुत मोठा जास्त मोठा प्लांट आहे तिथे. तर हा प्लांट म्हणजे असे प्लांट असेल तरी आपण नॅचरली करू शकतो, परंतु हे यांनी जास्त डिशेस वापरून केलेले आहे. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. त्याचं एअर पोल्युशन गाड्यांमुळे आणि कारखान्यांमुळे होते हेच दाखवलेलं आहे. सेकंड स्लाइड. सेकंड स्लाइड. एअर पोल्युशन रिड्यूस करण्याची कारणे दाखवली आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. युजिंग इन पब्लिक ट्रान्सपोर्ट, टर्न ऑफ लाईट when not used, bicycle runnings, plastic bags is there. Next slide. आपल्या वर्ल्ड मध्ये जे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत ते दाखवलेले आहेत मॅम याच्यामध्ये. विदाउट एअर इन वर्ल्ड लाईफ मध्ये वापरली गेलेली प्रदूषणामुळे जे आपल्या हानिकारक झालेले आहेत, जे म्हणजे श्वास घेण्यासाठी जे अडचणी आहेत किंवा एखाद्याला अशक्तपणा येतो, या गोष्टी म्हणजे साईड इफेक्ट आहेत त्याचे. आणि पुढे थँक्यू मॅम. That's all.
Give me the rights of the host again. Chalo, give me the right fast. Sarvesh, give me the rights. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
As compared to our this presentation was good enough, but I don't know, while presenting everyone was little bit worried, scared, little less confident. So I'm not going to harm you anytime, or I'm not going to insult you anytime. Please be competent when you are giving the presentation. You are giving the presentation, that means you are not I have not given you any punishment, and that is why you feel like a guilty. So please remove that type of feelings from the mind and be confident. Next time I should be able to see this in everyone. I'll give the marks to this group. For that purpose, one more thing is, in the present group, the references were not written and also the outcome were not written. So I'm going to give 1 mark less to all of them. The rest, everyone will get, means up till now they got it 19. This group will get 5. Please don't forget to write the references and the outcomes. Outcome means what are our learnings, what we should learn from this. Okay, if these adverse effects are there, we need to change ourselves, our habits, etc., etc. In the remedial, you have said it. no doubt about it. But in the outcome also, I want that type of assurance from everyone that we have learned this and we are ready to work according to the what remedies we have given. That type of assurance and references you have not given. Please do not forget the references anytime. Write the references every time so that you will. Your batch was up to 65 or what? Yes.
65.
Huh?
65.
Okay. So I just because of the no references, I have deducted. Next time, please be careful. You will write the references, and every time everyone will be committing yourself in the outcomes, related outcomes. Ki what I have learned and what is commitment from my side that should come there in your presentation all the time. Now, so I'm we'll stop here. How many groups are left? Two groups are left. So 3:30 to 4 o'clock. But even then, everyone has to join. I will keep the meeting 3:30 to 4 o'clock or 4:10 maximum for this. And now I will share the attendance sheet with all. Yes, I will share the attendance sheet. Post disabled participant screen sharing. Arey bapre. Who's disabled participants screen sharing?
Ma'am, try again.
Oh, yes, I will try. Yeah, possible. Yeah. Because attendance is important. Attendance also, we are going to keep some marks for the attendance also. I will share the link. Everyone has to give the attendance on the Google form. I will share it in the chat box. In the chat box, it will be there to everyone. Presentation is good enough for everyone. You will get to know more and more when you will have more and more presentation. Give your attendance, raise your hand, then we'll end the meeting. Chalo, till then, goodbye. Friday 3:30 to 4:10 we'll arrange, and 4:10 to 5 I will 4:10 to 5:10 I will arrange it for H2 batch, morning batch. Are you able to fill the form, everyone? Are you able to fill the form, Google form? Yes. Are you
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to fill the form, Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, chalo karo. Yeah, do it fast.
Hello, ma'am.
Bola.
Ma'am, I sent you PPT on your
Yeah.
email.
Yeah, all the
Group
three.
one.
Yeah, mail ID I will share. If you do not know, I'll again share my mail ID. Only one group leader will share this, not everyone. Huh? And एक minute, important one. In the subject, you will write H3 batch, group number 1, roll number, so from what to what that you have to write, and put today's date. Presentation 1, and put today's date 23 to 2000. Sorry, 23/2/2021. So like that, you have to, subject should be present, EWES presentation 1, H3 batch, group number 1, roll number 851 to 855. Like that subject will be there. Ma'am, please find attached here with our presentation for the roll number 51 to 55. Regards. Thank you. And then send it the attachment. Format should be uniform. Subject should be written. If you are send it, delete that, and in this format you send it. First 3 group, you send me the presentation. EWES presentation 1. Subject should be EWS presentation 1, H3 batch, group 1, in bracket, roll number 8051 to 8055. Bracket complete. Then, ma'am, please find attached here with, then regards, thank you, and send the attachment. Send your PPT as an attachment. Do it fast. All the 3 groups send me the PPT. लेबर आता अभ्यासाला बस लगेच खाऊन. एक दोन दे मला अजून. Have you sent first three group? Your presentation only leader will send, and next time leader may be different. If you want the same, you can keep the same, and next time on similar line, you are going to give the presentation on wastewater management. What are the causes? You have to take the case study where you get maximum polluted water. What are the causes? What are the remedies? What are the adverse effect of the polluted water? And why there is a need for the management. Everything should be there. Outcome should be there. That these are the remedy. From the remedy, these are the outcome. We have learned that the pollution is due to this, and therefore we assure you that everyone, the one who will learn this, will abide by the rules, that they will take maximum care that water is not getting polluted, or avoid to will take maximum care to avoid the water pollution, etc. Like that should be there. Is it over? Shall I end up the meeting? Yes.
मैम वाटर पोल्यूशन का कब तक देना है?
Next week Tuesday, same period. You have to give the presentation. All the 5 group I want to finish in 1 hour. No extra turn hereafter. 8 minutes maximum. 40 minutes it must finish. And then we will discuss on the next one. So 8 minute maximum. You prepare accordingly. Bulleted list should be there. No essay writing on the PowerPoint presentation. Write the references, and many things which you have written like a essay, need not read it. Let it go on its accord. Just display it for a second, 30 seconds, etc. I'll read it, go ahead. You need not explain it if you have written the essay. If you have written the bulleted list, then explain each point in short. Okay, shall I end up the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a good day.